Hello, this is Rawatron Beast electric motorcycle. 88 volt, 40 amp, lithium, up to 120 kilometer in single charge. Can be upgraded to 80 amp power or 100 amp power battery for longer range. This is a motorcycle style e-bike, or you can insure it as a light speed motorcycle. Custom programming controller, can be programmed up to 100 kilometers speed with upgrades, upside down shocks, charging port is right here behind this flap. The battery kill switch or air switch called, it's here. Storage under the seat. Keyhole is right here to open the seat. Two keys, fobs, alarm, remote start, anti-theft. Has Bluetooth speaker, LED lights, speed control is here, park, mode button, hazards, throttle, front brakes, honk, reverse assist, or signals, high beam, low beams. Beautiful looking bike. Financing available. We ship Canada wide.